Project is your host, Caitlin Cook. WUTT-TV presents DIY Christmas Slime, and here with this week's DIY project is your host, Caitlin Cook.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Cook, and today we're going to learn how to make some Christmas slime. So let's just dive in. So first you want to get white school glue. This will be good for a fluffy slime. So we're going to make fluffy slime first. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a half a cup measurement, and you're going to pour it in, get it good in there. And then you're going to just dump it in, okay? So now we're done with the glue. And then we're going to get our spatula and make sure we get everything out. Now this is a really simple recipe because you just use half cups. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is get just like regular shaving cream. This is just regular stuff. And I'm going to fill it up. And I like to kind of like, be like a heaping half cup. So get that out. Now we're going to combine that. So just make sure, the glue on the bottom is mixed in really well. Now what's nice about this is you can use different scents. So if you want to use like a women's shaving cream, you can, or you can also do hand soap, like foaming soap. So you can get Christmas scents or whatever season it is, really. So have that mixed, and yeah. So now it's getting pretty fluffy looking. So now we do that. It will look like a marshmallow fluff. So yeah. Now what I'm going to do is what you take is a cup of warm water, and you take a tablespoon of borax, and you just splash just a little bit in. So you want it warm so it dissolves the borax, but it doesn't matter if it's like cold now. So just do it like the smallest amounts at a time. I go like a teaspoon at a time. So there we go. And actually, let me see. Before we do that, let's make some red slime. So I have red food coloring. It's gel, which is a little bit more pigmented than the liquid, and it doesn't really mess with anything. I'm gonna mix it up. So it's gonna go kind of pink, but that's okay. Maybe more like candy cane color. So it's starting to clump a little bit, and yeah. So it's definitely not enough borax in there. So we're gonna take some more. Just eyeball it. So like that. And then we're gonna go around. Now this part gets really messy. This part gets really messy because it's to the point where the only thing that's gonna make it be that slime that you want to be is you starting to touch it, but it's still pretty sticky. So when we get back from the break, I'm going to show you how to get it ready to play with, and how to package it cute and Christmassy. Thank you.
So much better.
Don't stay energized for 5 hours. Stay energized all day. Energy.
Now what we're going to do, this is going to get very messy, so this is going to be a struggle. You're going to take this borax solution, and what I like to do is I get my hands wet with it so I can pick it up better. So just, a little bit, kind of, do that. And what you're going to do is you're going to start picking it up. And we have it this. So I would say that it's not desired, like what I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's not super sticky right now, so I could have accidentally added too much borax, but you can kind of fix that. So you can just get any regular lotion, just hand lotion, and this is another part where you can have like scents to it, so you can have really good smelling slime. And what you do is you just put it on top like that and start to incorporate it into the slime. So your hands are going to get very lotiony. But what the lotion does is it actually makes it a lot stretchier. So if you do actually add too much borax, it will it'll stretch. You can stretch it back out. So yeah. So that's your basic slime recipe. So let me just do that. Okay, so now let me show you some different things we can do with slime. So move that out of the way. And what we're going to do is move this too. So this is probably this is just a plain white fluffy slime that we just did. So notice how it's very like mesmerizing, So now we can dye it. So we can dye it again, things like that. We can do it after or before. We can add glitter. So I think what we're going to do with this is we're going to add these foam beads. So these foam beads, they'll make it crunchy slime. And what you do is just put it on top. So it kind of looks like snow, right? Okay. And then we can get some glitter. So I'm going to get this white iridescent glitter. Now, if you use glitter, I would strongly recommend to use ultra fine or fine, because the thick stuff, it just comes right off. It'll just come in your hands and it won't stay in the slime. Oh, I'm trying to get this open. Okay, so now we have that open. Hopefully there's not glitter in my mouth. Okay, so you're just gonna dump it in. Just, get real fun with it. The more the better, honestly. So now what we're gonna do, if you see how pretty that is, just all the glitter, if you can see that. Yeah, okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna incorporate it. So yeah. So this is really fun. Now say, you're making this for kids in your family, and maybe you just don't want to do this, making slime isn't what you want to do. You can actually just use all the ingredients that I did, and you can repackage them to look really cute. You can even make the borax solution ahead of time. You can add glitter and all this stuff to do it. So now we have a crunchy slime. So yeah, so I did these. This is a little snowman. It's really cute. And this is just that same white mixture. So yeah. And then this is a reindeer, little Rudolph. Now let me show you really quick what can happen if you put too much borax in. So this is perfect consistency. So this is just a plain white one. See, it holds its shape really well. It holds its shape, but the thing is it breaks apart. So even if I add lotion to that, that's just ridiculous, So it's not fun to play with. I mean, I know if you let these sit over time, they will they'll get better to use. But that's all I have for right now. So keep crafting and